Hi Nursery, lovely to see you. It's Louise here. Today I've got an activity for you, which is a sounds activity. I've got a bag with lots of toy fruit in it. We're going to practice saying the sounds of the fruit. I hear you've been learning about Handa's surprise and all the different fruit that she carries in the basket on her head. So let's see what's in the bag. Let's have a look. Yes, you're right, banana. We're going to practice clapping the word banana. 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 Have a go. Brilliant. Banana. And banana begins with b. B. Banana. Lovely. Next we've got, yes, that's right, orange. Orange. Let's practice clapping that word. Orange. Orange. Have a go. Brilliant. Orange. And orange begins with orange. Fantastic. I've got one more piece of fruit in my bag. That's it. A pear. Pear. Let's have a go at clapping that. Pear. Pear. Can you do it? Brilliant. Pear. And pear begins with pear. Can you practice that? Lovely, well done. So, why don't you go and have a look in your kitchen or even in your box of toys, see if you can find some fruit. Put them in a bag or a basket and see if you can practice clapping the sounds and saying the first sound in the word. Hope you have fun. See you soon. Bye.